kids, it's me, Isabella, your favorite zookeeper. That one, that's still... Oh, there's a tiny one. I'm giving the capuchin some seeds. I'm giving Gates one seeds and Dexter. He loves attention. There's at least 28 species of capuchins. And there's even more subspecies. I take care of Bro. Did you really have to throw that grape at me? I have 2 different kind of species. No, don't you? But that time it wasn't grape. That's in the head. No. No. That's the Emmy and Chica or Batface capuchins. I'm hoping I can introduce them together this winter. So then we would have more cages and they could get warm and be friends. I have over 50 primates at my facility. I actually have a new surrender coming this week. It's a baby Rocky Nico. Plus, it sits on pacifiers. It wears diapers. It sits on pacifiers. I can't wait to show you guys him. He just like Celadus, a little younger, and Celadus eats pacifiers. He might eat diapers.